friends, it has been a hot minute since I have made a YouTube video just talking to you guys, but I am very excited because I am releasing my 4th book. I would show it to you, but I don't have it yet because it's only in pre-sales right now. This book is a little bit different than the other books that I've done because it is a memoir. So instead of it being a coffee table book, it's actually a chapter book that's all about my life. I wanted to read the introduction of the book so that you could get kind of a better idea of the vibe of the book because it's really kind of hard to explain. So here we go. I always get these bright ideas in life and I always have that moment of, are you crazy? Why would you ever want to do that? But then 9 times out of 10, I do it anyway. So here I am writing a memoir. First thing I have to say is that writing these days without using emojis is hard. I would just like to give a little intro here to let everyone reading know that this is not in any way an autobiography. There are pieces of my life that will always be private, and who am I anyway? This book is a mix of stories and musings from my life and my experiences. I share the good, the bad, the unbelievable, the hilarious, and everything in between. Please also know that because this is a memoir, it is not always in chronological order, but ordered more by experience. My hope is that in reading this, you find another flawed human on this earth to relate to and commiserate with. At the very least, I hope you get a few giggles and a few, oh my gosh, me toos. So buckle up, fear reader, and enjoy. So my memoir is just a collection of memories and stories and musings from my life. I do talk a lot about personal things. I talk about my childhood, my adolescence, how I became Cherry Dollface, my years of traveling and modeling, relationships, friendships. I do talk about a lot of things in a lot of detail. And yeah, so I'm just kind of sharing a more deeper dive, I guess, into me as a person instead of just me as Cherry Dollface. So pre-orders are open now. If you want this book by Christmas, you definitely need to pre-order it. Otherwise, you won't be able to get it for Christmas. But if you want it signed, you'll have to wait until after Christmas. So if you want a signed copy, I will be doing signed copies through my publisher's website, but I will not have physical copies in my hand until after Christmas. I am also doing a book release party in LA at Crash the Party Vintage in Whittier. I'm very excited. Details on that, dates and times and all of that will be on my social media, so be sure to check that out. I think it's gonna be the 2nd Sunday in January, so it'll be after the new year as well. But if you wanna get your hand on a copy quickly, if you wanna get your hand on a copy before Christmas, make sure to pre-order. The link is in the description below. Are we still doing this pointing thing? You guys know where the description below is. Yeah, click that link for pre-sales, and I appreciate all of your support and love through the years. I hope you find my book really interesting and funny and relatable, and that's all I've got. I haven't made videos in a while, so if there's anything you want to see that kind of coincides with my life now, style, or I don't know, whatever kind of YouTube videos you want to see me making these days, please just leave it in the comments below because I'm always happy to take suggestions on making content for you guys. That is all. See you next time.